YouTube. Come on, Charlie. You gotta talk with me. It's not gonna work if you're not talking to the camera.
Why are you yelling?
In today's news.
Feel weird doing it in the kitchen.
Because we're used to doing it in our room. And our room is boring today. It's being a douchebag and having terrible lighting. But look at this. This is just orgasmic. We actually have light. And look, we can actually pay attention to how long the video is and not go like 6 or 7 minutes.
Whose fault was it last time? Yours.
We haven't made a video in like 2 months.
I don't care.
You're supposed to help me with this, Charlie. You know it's not working if you're just going to sit here and criticize my account.
Don't say comedy because you're really not that funny.
I wasn't going to say comedy. I was trying to think of some big word. Don't sit here and criticize my cosmetology.
Cosmos out.
Don't know.
Okay.
Alright. So let's get started. What do you want to talk about?
Well, we already started.
No. We weren't really. We just started battling.
You started battling.
Bullshit! Yeah. You're just... Oh, fuck. So what do we?
I wonder if a giraffe has a big.
You know, that's just inappropriate.
No, it's not.
Talking about a giraffe's genitalia is just a terrible subject for a YouTube video.
What if you tickle his balls, he'll sneeze?
The fuck was that?
Or he might pop a nut.
You made the giraffe sneeze. How so? You tickled its ball sack. Amazing. Just.
You know, watching a monkey fuck a zebra is fun. Wonder if they can make babies.
What the hell do you do in your spare